Today we are going to discuss about step over. So we discussed about step into my code, which you can see in the previous video, and I have also created a checklist that is debugging using the Pycharm. Okay, so in this video we will practically see where we have to use the step over, what are the benefits of using the step over, and how it can help us to solve the problems, that is to optimize the code or maybe to find the error very easily. Well, let's start about the step over. It will go line by line. If any built-in libraries comes, or built-in, I would say functions instead of the libraries comes, it will skip over. It won't go inside the definition of those built-in functions, and the same true holds for the custom functions. If any custom functions comes, it will directly give us the return, it will return the result from that custom functions. Okay, let's practice it using a code. For example, this is a very simple recursion practice where we have a base condition, and here we are calling the same function recursively. It is a direct recursive function call. So we see that here is the n, and we are calling it n minus 1, and when the value of n is equal to 0, it is going to return us 0, and else it is going us to return n minus 1. So we know the flow is, first of all, function 3 will executed, then the function 2, then the function 1, and when the function 0 will get executed, it will go to the base condition, and hence the flow will come back to the function that is where n is equal to 1, which will return as equal to 0. Then it will come back again to n is equal to 2, which is going to return us as the 0, and then back to the function n is equal to 3, which will give us return is equal to 0. So if I directly run it without any debugging, you will see that the output is 0. It has to be, because it is a recursive function. Recursion means we are decreasing the value of n to a condition it reaches to the base condition, and when it reaches to the base condition, then again the calls will be covered in a reverse way, and hence at the end you will get the output, which is simply what recursion is. But we are not here to plan about recursion. We are here to understand what is the difference between step over and step into my code. So if I start debugging and do it here and went for the step into my code, you will see that it goes to the function again n is equal to 3, then n is equal to 2, then n is equal to 1, then the base condition is reached, and after base condition is reached, the backcalls will handle and you give the result as equal to 0. But now if I want to debug the same function with the help of a step over, try to see, friends, listen carefully. It won't go inside that function. It will directly return me the output of that custom function. So this is the difference between step over and step into my code. So again, this step over is also completed. Now in the coming video we will discuss about step into, step out, set values, creating watch, resume program, view breakpoints, so execution points. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.